Hello investor, hopefully you are having a wonderful time. As you know, today Apple launches its new phone, and the new phone is the game changer, is the disruptor. Although from the feature wise, it's been the camera and all, which I really don't care. But the main thing which is disrupting right now is the 5G. With today's this Apple enter into the 5G market, which is a very big interruption, right? And the more detailed analysis of the Apple stocks I have already did in my past video. Let me quickly show as well. In the recent past, just before the split, I have already covered in very detailed analysis of the Apple stock, right? Here you can see I have covered the different categories of sales, and we know the major. I'm just referring the same video, and on the end of the channel, this video I will also link this video back because this is still this is relevant now as well. And then I'll point it out what is the additional delta. And here you can easily see the Apple, the most of the revenue diversification from the net sale by the category from 2019 and 18 and 17 for the last 3 years. This is from their annual 10K, right? In million in dollars. So $142 billion in 2019 has come from just for the iPhones, right? There are some other category as well, like Mac and iPad and other wearable devices, but which is very low in terms of this percentage of the sales, right? This is the main revenue stream. And with the interruption of the iPhone 12, and the second thing is also need to point out here, this has just come before the Christmas time, right? Where people now will get, whoever is working and employed, and most of the people not have spent a lot because of COVID. But now because of this Thanksgiving just recently passed, and then Christmas shopping is coming out, right? That's a perfect timing on the launch of the 5G phone, right? So most of the people, we know the craziness among the Apple products. They are very good products, and this is a very long-sighted approach by its CEO, right, to launch at the perfect time. So my understanding is major of this revenue, as you can see, will spike now, because that's not a change. Now we are adding the disruption. Let me clear again, the disruption of 5G into the Apple stock market, right, which was not there before. And in this model, I have shown in the video, I have not only shown but shows the interest, what's their interest rate, liquidity, and cash flow. Feel free to check out. And then I have used the model to come up with the price of the Apple stock, and then that's you can later check it out. But the main thing is here is to see how the Apple does it, how the market behave now to this, right? So my main point here is that with this disruptions to the 5G, then Apple enter into the very big market. For more detail on the financials and fundamentals, I think we have covered very in depth into that financial videos using the model and well. But that time we don't have the 5G component built into that, right? So even the back when I was looking into their the revenues or the margin was little less, but I believe now when the 5G enter into the market there, it will give the boost to the from the two factors, right? From I'm keep repeating that, but from the different angles to make the word out, from not only from the 5G dimension, which is the new market, new segment, right, in terms of the network and all. But there will be many other phones coming out as well, but Apple for sure, people are loyal to it. And the second thing, due to the Christmas timing and the bonus as well, right? So people are buying that. For sure there is a seasonality aspect of it, so Apple will take advantage. Plus another advantage is coming from the 5G, the factors, right? So that's very key. So thanks from the leadership, I think they did a very good job. From as an investor, we really appreciate that. So I think that makes Apple quite attractive now, especially even when the stock split as well. right? I'm not pointing out many things. I just have shared a lot in my earlier slide, but just the add-on on that, because that's the new information come out. So I thought, why not just make a quick video to show those points as well. For sure, there might be some technical factors to the product, the new product. Maybe the video and cameras looks pretty much same, but I think those are the key areas. And also, I recently noticed that Apple launched this low budget some other product as well, right? So which is quite good as well. So this will keep adding, and many of these, not only from the Apple, but the seasonality factors is also count as well. From the Apple product, this is the community, and pretty much very much liked this community by the not only by this user and consumer, right? So that's very good. So yeah, so that's what I want to share here, and let me know what you think from the Apple product. So I believe now the price is, after split, is very much under reasonable for the common shareholder as well, right? $125 range. So not only like 1,000, 3,000 range, which is make it a little bit harder for the normal investor community. So that will also attract the share price. I think should be in the short terms. I'll see that should definitely see some spike in terms of the price, and this interruption not only make from the short term perspective, but from the long term perspective, definitely I think Apple should be in the buy list, right? So what do you think from your point of view? Do you as an investor, right? So do you think do you agree, or do you still thinking no, there are some other good 5G products you're thinking is there? So feel free to comment it out, and definitely I'll suggest you, if you want to more detail on, I have provided the very detailed analysis on these Apple stock earlier. As you can see, net profit model and other models, and the margin and risk. Feel free to check it out. I will put this video as a link, which will still valid. Okay, so yeah, so thanks for watching, and if you want me to cover any other stock, please put in the comments, and see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.